Hello everyone, welcome back. In When People Messed with the Wrong Cops, you'll see how ordinary encounters turn into instant karma when bad choices meet firm law enforcement. Buckle up as these dashcam moments unfold. Police received a report of a man vandalizing property and threatening to kill people with a knife on Tobias Street. Officers quickly arrived and approached the suspect. Despite repeated commands, he charged at the officers while holding the knife. The situation escalated, forcing police to use force to subdue him. Resisting police while armed only leads to a worse outcome.
Back up. You get tased. Show me your hands, bro. Show me your hands when you get tased right now. Back up. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands, bro. Hey, we can talk about it, man. Drop whatever you have, man. It's not worth it. Nah. Shots fired. 1985 shots fired. Hey, stop walking! Police department!
Police made contact with a man carrying a knife and walking in the roadway. After multiple commands to stop and drop the weapon, Trevino ignored officers and suddenly charged at them with the knife. When the taser failed to stop him, he continued attacking and even threw the knife at police. In the end, all acts of defiance and attacks against law enforcement come at a price.
Hey, you need to drop the knife! Hey! Drop the fucking knife! Turn on your back! Turn on your stomach!
Yeah. 9323, are you out with 798?
Hey, ma'am. Go ahead and turn that off for me. Go ahead and turn the car off for me.
Port Charlotte police responded to reports of an intoxicated woman causing a disturbance at a bar. When officers attempted to investigate, Kelsey Alm reacted aggressively, refused to cooperate, and tried to flee. Running from the police is never an escape. She was quickly restrained and taken into custody.
We're done. That's not happening. Drop it! Get on the ground!
After receiving reports of a fight at a gas station in Shorewood, police responded immediately. A man had attacked a gas station employee with a shovel, making the situation extremely serious. Officers swiftly subdued the suspect before the situation spiraled out of control.
If somebody needs to talk to us because they're reporting something, you can't stop them. You understand?
What began as a domestic dispute quickly escalated into a dangerous situation. When police arrived, the man repeatedly disobeyed commands, interfered with the investigation, and refused to cooperate. Tensions peaked when he pulled out a knife, threatened officers, and fled the scene. In the end, resisting and running only delay justice. They do not escape.
Put the knife down! Put the knife down! He's got a knife. I've got him at gunpoint. Put the knife down! I know. Put the knife down. Put it down. Put the knife down. Put it down. Put it down. You're under arrest. You're under arrest, sir. Stop. 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 Stop.
It's Jason Weber.
Yeah.
Looking for Jason Weber.
What's your birthday?
You're gonna be detained for now, buddy, because we're gonna figure out what's going on. So I'm gonna give you one more chance to tell me your car. Do you have any ID on you?
Okay, so here's the deal. We've run through the credit bureau. They've gone through the Texas DMV. They've gone through the Washington DMV.
How are you? I'm Detective Jarowski. I'm with the Skokie Police Department. How are you? So I want to talk to you real quick about...
When police approached an Instacart driver and requested cooperation, he resisted and drove off. The situation intensified when the suspect pulled out a knife and threatened officers. Defying the law and threatening police only pushes situations out of control, and he would soon pay the price for his actions.
Put the knife down! Put it down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down right now! Put the knife down right now! 312. Put the knife on us now. Pull up the list and go westbound. Put the knife down right now! Put it down! Put the knife down right now!
You are under arrest. Over on the other side, boys.
Stop. Come over here. Come over here.
What seemed like a simple shoplifting case quickly escalated into a physical confrontation with police. Officers responded to a Speedway gas station to investigate a theft and located the suspect, Darian. Initially cooperative, he soon changed his attitude, disobeyed commands, struggled with officers, and repeatedly pretended to be a minor to avoid consequences. In the end, deception and resistance only lead to more severe consequences.
What was the whole point of this, bro? I didn't do nothing, bro. They just came over here and just ran up on.
You seem upset.
I am, bro. They came up.
Take a deep breath.
Bro, y'all got the wrong person, bro.
Take a deep breath.
Drop the knife! One at gunpoint, he's a knife. Drop the knife! Do it now! Drop
The suspect
knife!
threatened a family member with a knife and deliberately sought confrontation with police. He ignored all police commands. When warnings no longer worked and a weapon was raised, the law had only one option left to prevent a wider tragedy.
There are tons of options. You drop the knife. Drop the knife. Do it now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Jeremy, drop the knife. Drop the knife. I'm gonna try to take it.
He was accused of assaulting an employee at a hair salon. When approached, Peterson ignored police commands, walked away, and attempted to get into his vehicle to flee. After being ordered out of the car and tased, he fought back against officers, making the situation extremely dangerous. Confronting the law only leads to a worse ending.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Police approached a suspect wanted for rape, but he suddenly resisted and fled. This behavior only made his charges more severe. The law will not be lenient toward actions like these.
Handcuff him right now. All right, let's roll him up. Dan, what's your...
After confirming an active arrest warrant, officers attempted to approach Patmon. Instead of cooperating, he ran, an action that only led to a worse outcome. No matter how hard he tried to escape, facing the law was unavoidable. Running only made the situation more serious.
Make a good decision. Huh? Step back. Don't play with me. Step back. Stand up. We're gonna put you in the back of this car while we wait on ambulance, all right? There, 1, 2, 3. Where are we going? This one right here. Okay. Hey, Bond. Huh?
I got something to help.
He got one you know.
Stop! Get over there!
Police received reports of a man behaving erratically. When officers approached, they saw him holding a screwdriver. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, he ignored them and charged toward police. Ignoring commands and attacking law enforcement always results in more severe consequences.
Drop the screwdriver, man. Drop it! Drop it! Just drop it. We're not trying to hurt you. Just drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Okay.
Chicago police responded quickly to reports of gunfire. While approaching the suspect, one individual suddenly fled. The situation became even more dangerous when he attempted to draw a gun and attack officers. Carrying a weapon and resisting during a police encounter only escalates the situation and leads to severe and irreversible consequences.
Police! Come on with your hands up!
The Devonshire Patrol Division responded to reports of a serious domestic violence incident in Porter Ranch, where a woman had been critically injured after being stabbed by her husband. When police arrived, the victim was being assisted by bystanders. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, the suspect refused to cooperate and continued advancing toward officers. Using force against police is never a wise choice.
Drop the knife! 15-1 got shots fired. Have the RA here already. The supervisor en route.
The criminal believed that hiding in the ceiling would give him control of the situation, but the law always finds a way to restore order. No matter how hard someone tries to hide or evade capture, escaping justice is impossible. When people choose to resist the law, consequences follow fast. These encounters show how one bad decision can change everything. What do you think? Did police handle it right? What would you do? Let us know below.